welcome to the episode 2 of the vlog, you know. So yeah, as I was saying last time, you need two things, like the street knowledge and the study knowledge, because it's things that will help you, you know. Like it's how I feel in my life, that I need like street knowledge, you know, like the things that I learned by doing Uber, by dancing, and the things that you learn at school. Like, you know, like some people call it street smart, be an entrepreneur, and like, you know, like school smart, you know. Bouf. Donc comme je disais, je pense que voilà, il faut avoir l'intelligence de la rue et l'intelligence scolaire. Donc genre l'intelligence de la rue, c'est quoi? C'est la débrouille. Et this is what I'm talking about when I say you have to go through many things, whatever the circumstances, you know, you can find a way. Like through this kind of circumstances, like it's the rain, like it's the nature. It's supposed to be like that it rains. And you know, you don't have to stop work because it's raining. So it's the same thing for your motivation. You have to keep going, even when it's raining. Let's go. Voilà, ce dont je suis en train de parler là. Même s'il pleut, tu dois continuer. Regarde, il pleut à donf. Et je suis quand même là. Tu peux le faire. Pas penser que voilà, parce que tu as pris tel ou tel engagement, ça va être tranquille à chaque fois. Non, tu dois voir que, ah ouais, là par exemple, il y aura la pluie. Là par exemple, il y aura du soleil. Mais voilà, tu vois, il faut continuer. Ça fait partie de la nature, hein, qu'il pleut. Ça fait partie de la nature. Mais je suis quand même là, je continue. C'est ça. Alors malgré qu'il pleut, je suis content parce que j'ai atteint mon objectif. Et voilà, je vous invite à vraiment avoir cette détermination-là. En fait, cette détermination-là, vous allez la trouver dans votre passion, dans des choses que vous aimez bien. Vous essayez de la remettre dans la vie de tous les jours, dans les choses de tous les jours. Et je vous assure, vous allez faire des choses, vous n'allez pas vous reconnaître. So, I would say, try to this determination, you know, this you know, this need to do the things, you know, like try to have this how to say that, really try to have this you know, this determination, this want to do the things, and where you can find it, you find it in your purpose, in things that you like, you know, this mind that you want to do things, you know, like, okay, so get up, do what you have to do, and don't overthink it, just do it, and you will see. Don't overthink, just do it. Today it was raining, I didn't want to go out, I go out, and like, yeah, I mean, I went out, and now things are displaying the way I want. So yeah, I have it's a bit cold, I'm freezing, but yeah, I did it. Peace.